Okay, you guys, it's another Monday morning, and I received some more ornaments because I ordered them. And I also went and got a few more of these little guys from Hobby Lobby, and also he was there also. And I was looking at my tree when I did the thing, and I was noticing that it was a lot of gaps in this tree. So I just went back and I picked up a few more of these from Big Lots, and to let it snow. Those, they are huge. Look how big that is. From Big Lot. Also, I got these also. So these just came in with another set of Let It Snow. So this stuff came from Big Lots. If I don't say it like 10,000 times, but yeah, I'm trying to fill the tree in because when I was watching the tree video, I said, oh, it looks like it's not a lot of, you know, ornaments on it, which is a lot of them. But I also told you guys in that video that I was going to order some more ornaments from Big Lots. So yeah, in this video you'll see that clip. But sure, if you've been with me, I bought these guys from Big Lots last year. So I'm just gonna buy a little more to put on the tree of the black, white, and silver. So yeah, that would be the color, black, white, and silver. And even look, I got the little fur ball. So because I didn't put it in that clip because at the time I didn't know where I was gonna order more or not. But I'm gonna put the clip in this video. So yeah, what I'm doing is putting the rest of the ornaments on the tree, and if this tree look empty or whatever after this, that's it. So I'm just gonna put an ornament here because it look kind of naked. But yeah, and I don't think y'all got to appreciate these things here because you can't see them on camera unless I put my hand right here. But these are stringies that I got from Hobby Lobby, and they was like $5. They had the thicker ones, but I thought these was thick also, but it would be like 30 in that pack, and they just everywhere, all over the tree, you know, but you couldn't see them in that video. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys the blackout that we had. And so this is what is currently happening. We are in the dark. I was filming a video for you guys, but we are in the dark. So I don't know how long this gonna last. Last time we was in the dark, we was in the dark for 3 days, and that was around Ishmael's birthday. Put your light on my tree, Licia. Oh, I need to let you see my tree. It's oh, count. How long?
I was reading about the substitution method. I don't know why I just was. What's up?
What's up?
We're in the dark again. Just can't wait to get in the dark again.
The substitution method is why do we need to learn it? The elimination method is so much easier.
What's the substitution method?
It's where basically you have to find a variable and you substitute with another number.
That's algebra terms, ain't it?
Yes, it is. They both intersect anyways. It's like learning the table method when you use algebra method. Like, there's no point. And it's also like you have to name the steps. What's the point of naming the steps? There is no point. I'm like, what jar are you gonna name the steps?
The steps.
Unless you're a math teacher. Math never changes, so what's the point?
Tell them what the point is.
The point is,
No traditions department.
Somebody had a test this week.
Solving the
Mr.
problem,
Pearson said,
not the steps.
Mr. Pearson said, because if, I don't know, all he said was like, oh, in college there's something where if you don't do something with something, then you won't get the grade for it. I don't know. I guess the only thing I can come up with is that, like, maybe it's because, I don't know, they're just mean. They're trying to make us give us information which is gonna be useful in real life.
The multiplicative, implicative, I don't know. And then she was cursing this thing too.
Who was cursing?
Back around.
She was cursing while she was teaching?
Mhm.
Why? Because y'all didn't get it?
No, like it was a word. It's called like assertive. I think it's called. It's like a math thing, and that's what it means. It's your ass. She'll say that.
It's a tactic she used to make them remember the word, but she just didn't get it.
That's what you said about that.
That was the actual teacher saying it. You're not paying attention, Carlos.
I just got down here.
She just told the story.
And that is the tree. Go over there, Lee. Let me see. Yep, that's the tree. So we are in the dark. I thought you could see the peaks. You can't even see those peaks. You can't see. Just know that my treat is thebomb.com this year. I spent a lot of time on this tree, and I am so proud of it. Yeah, I just came back to show you the new ornaments. Okay, today is Wednesday and we are cooking Asian style chicken on this Wednesday with rice. So we have been letting the chicken marinate. Oh, I hope you can see me. So that's the chicken that I wanted. And let me show you the, and this the chicken Alicia wanted. So I'm gonna show you the bottles. So this is Alicia bottle, the honey marinade, and this is my bottle, the sweet chili. So this is what we're gonna eat tonight over rice and green beans, and I'll come back and let you see it when it's done.
Bro, what time football now?
And this is what's for dinner tonight.